All right, today we're gonna bring some LED ceiling lights. These are two flush lights. We're gonna set one of them up. First of all, you gotta make sure this is really light. You gotta make sure you have the backing of it first, right? So these are gonna be very light, simple to use. There's only two cables you have to worry about. It's pretty much just the hot and the neutral, and that's it. And they have a hanging cord in case you need to assistance. You could just hang it on this hook. I don't see any ground in here, so we're gonna go ahead and set them up and turn them on and see how they look. Okay, we're gonna install this, but before you want to make sure that you don't have a power, right? We don't want to make sure we interfere with any kind of power. That's it. It's all flush. You guys can see it's flush. All right, we finally finished it. Here it is. It's flush completely. It's super bright, 500K, like it said it was gonna be. I'll pull back just a little so you guys can see how beautiful it looks. Very elegant. I see a little ring around it, which is pretty awesome. I like that little ring around it, but it's just a reflection of the light on the back end. It looks awesome. Awesome light here. It's flush. It's set up. It makes the whole entire area looks bright here. I'm gonna keep this one permanent out there. So very simple to install. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.